prime factorization task. Here I have again designed the layout. Okay, in the Qt designer, at the top you can see the heading representing decomposition of an integer which is greater than 1 into a product of prime factors. Product of prime factors means the factors will be shown in the product of prime factors. Okay, so this is the label to display the text number. This is the input field from where we will get user input. Okay, the user will enter a number for the decomposition. This is the image label. Okay, this is the label or a showcase you can say to display the image. Similarly, this is the text area. This is also an editable area which will be used to display the output or the prime factors. Okay, this is the decompose button which will use to decompose the entered number. Similarly, this is the quit button. Okay, it will close the application, and this is the reset button. It will reset all the input fields and output fields. Now let's move to its programming, that how it will work. I am going to Thony. First of all, here I have imported the user interface which I designed in the Qt designer. Then in order to load the image, I have given the source of the image by using the pixmap method. Then if we talk about the buttons, here I have written the code to connect the buttons with the user interface. Okay, and after that if we see the main logic which will be used to perform the factorization of the given number. Okay, I have given comments to help the reader. Here is the try method. It will implement on the entered number. Okay, if the number is greater than 1, then the factorization will be carried out. Otherwise, if the number is less than 1, then this error will be thrown. Okay, then similarly there is the factorization formula which will convert the uh, entered number into the factors. If there is any other error, this exception will cover that error. Okay, here I have defined prime factors function by passing the parameter num to perform the factorization. Okay, this method will perform the factorization and return the required factors of the entered number. Similarly, this is the reset field, or here is the clear button, and here is the output area clear. This, when we will click the reset button, this function will be called and it will clear the number input area and output input area. Okay, so this is all about the prime factorization. Now let me run this code to check it's working properly. I am clicking here to run it. Okay, and after that you can see the application has run successfully. It has the same output as we designed in the Qt designer. If we enter any number like 51 and we click on decompose, it has converted it into the prime factors. Okay, similarly if we see the image has also loaded, and if I click on the reset button, it will reset input field and the output field. Okay, let's try another number like 100. here is the output of the 100.